A Thanksgiving to remember. "Wake up, sleepyhead," a cheerful voice called. It was Mom. "Guess what day it is?" I peeked out from under my cozy blanket. "Thanksgiving," I shouted. My favorite day of the whole year. My whole family was coming to our house. In the kitchen, the biggest turkey I had ever seen sat on the counter. "It weighs 30 pounds, Dad said, flexing his muscles like a strong man. It was so big, it looked like it could gobble me up. Mom woke up before the sun to start cooking the giant turkey. "It needs a long, long time to get yummy," she explained, carefully placing it in the oven. Soon, the whole house began to smell like cinnamon and spice and everything nice. While Mom was the turkey tamer, Dad and I were the super cleaners. We zipped and zoomed with the vacuum cleaner, making sure every crumb was gone. "We need the house to be sparkling for our guests," Dad declared. Back in the kitchen, it was time to help Mom. My job was very important, peeling the potatoes and carrots. I made long, curly peels that looked like orange and white snakes. It was a messy but fun job. Dad was in charge of the pies. He let me help roll out the dough for the pumpkin pies. We used a special rolling pin and sprinkled flour everywhere. It looked like it had snowed in our kitchen. My favorite part was making the stuffing. Mom gave me a giant bowl filled with bread cubes, herbs, and spices. I gotta mix it all together with my hands. "Good stuffing is the secret to a happy turkey," Mom whispered. With the cooking almost done, we put on our nice clothes. I wore my favorite sweater. Then, I helped set the table with shiny forks and sparkling glasses. Each plate was waiting for a delicious Thanksgiving feast. Finally, the moment we were all waiting for, Dad opened the oven and a cloud of delicious-smelling steam filled the air. He carefully lifted out the turkey. It was golden brown and perfect. "The masterpiece is ready," he announced. Just then, the doorbell rang. Our relatives were here. Grandma and Grandpa, my aunts and uncles, and all my cousins came inside, filling the house with hugs and happy chatter. We all gathered around the long table. Before we ate, we went around the circle and said one thing we were thankful for. I said, "I'm thankful for my whole family being here together." Then, it was time to eat. The table was filled with turkey, stuffing, mashed potatoes, and sweet pumpkin pie. We ate and laughed and talked. It was the best, most delicious, and happiest Thanksgiving ever.